guys, we are back. We are back again. We've got another post-gym session, and we've got another sugar-free drink from Macca's. Let's go. I can see there's no one in the line, so it's going to be a bit of a shorter one, but it's all right. It's all right. Now today, what I want to talk to you guys about, actually, it's about Amazon again, but I want to talk about, it's a course review.
Yeah.
That was everything, thanks.
That was $2.95. Drop the food ready.
Thanks. Oh, I managed to not scrape my window. Okay, so the course is by Dan Vass, or Dan Vass. I'm not sure how to pronounce his name, but honestly, the best, I kid you not, the best and most informative Amazon video out there. I'm just gonna change this. Oh, gotta change it this way. There we go. So it's honestly, guys, the best Amazon video. He explains the most, and it's one of the cheapest. Now, if he had an affiliate link, I haven't asked him, but if he had an affiliate link for the course, I'd leave it down in the description. But I'm just going to link to his course anyway. Now, I'm not going to get any affiliate commission from this, but I honestly think it is the best Amazon course that is out there. And not only that, he posts free content nearly every single day. Well, I think it is every single day he'll post free content, and I personally watch him myself. And before watching his course, I was a bit I was stuck with my Amazon, and I wasn't sure where to go, like in terms of product research. I was kind of just lost. This is even after I'd launched my first product, and especially when it comes to advertising on Amazon, I was kind of lost. Now, if it wasn't for Dan's course, because I bought it before the Christmas period, if it wasn't for Dan's course, I couldn't have doubled down, and I couldn't have made my $3,000 profit that I made over the Christmas period. Now, with my first product, it's pretty much sold out now, and it's almost gone. I've got like just under 20 units left now. I'm not going to be doing that product again because I know I can make even more in my second product. And looking at the numbers that I've seen, there are products, because I spent way too much on my first product than what I wanted to. Now there are products out there that you can spend $1,000 to $1,500 on, and you can make $10,000 to $15,000 revenue easily, which is anywhere from about $5,000 to almost $10,000 profit, and that's a month. So that's going to be my aim with my second product. And honestly, I didn't think I would have known this. I didn't think I would have had the knowledge that I do now without Dan's course. Like, what he teaches is absolutely amazing. So if you're watching this video, Dan, I'd like to thank you personally. But if you guys haven't checked out Dan, I'm going to link his YouTube down below. Honestly, when I saw him, he was just over 1,000 subs, and this was a couple of months ago. And now, coming into the new year, he's over 6,000 subs, and I think it's well deserved. He has helped me out personally. He answers emails very, very quickly as well, especially if you're in his course. He gives you unlimited mentoring. From what I've heard, he is closing the course soon, because he wants only a certain amount of people in the course. I think he's getting close to 1,000 people in the course now, because he wants to help those people that are in the course even more, and he's going to be flying more of those people who bought his course out to him. So I'd get in like as quickly as you can, because he is honestly the most helpful person when it comes to Amazon that I have ever met. So yeah, check the links down below. Check it for his course. I think, off memory, I think it's about $500 or so. I'll double check on that one, but it is the best $500 that I have ever spent, and that $500 is going to turn into $10,000. So when you look at it like that, there's no loss for that. Like I said today, guys, it's going to be a bit of a shorter video, but I just wanted to do a quick shout out, and I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm learning from, like who I'm learning from in my Amazon. And honestly, Dan Vass, or Dan Vass, sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, he explains Amazon the best. And I think he is up to, gosh, in profit now, it's something like, I think it's either $200,000 or $400,000, like that was within his first year, and he only started early this year in like April, May. And he is doing amazing for himself, and I'm so glad, because he definitely knows what he's talking about. He's gone out there and done it himself. He's got multiple products launched on there, and now he's doing great helping others, including myself. So definitely, like I said, go and check him out. He is the best guy to learn from Amazon. But apart from that, guys, that is going to be it from this video. I just wanted to do a quick shout out to Dan, and I wanted to do another vlog style video. I'm really liking these tries with Jack videos, so if you like them too, give this video a like and give me a sub if you like my content. But other than that, guys, I will catch you in the next video.